Becoming a ClickFunnels affiliate allows you to earn commissions by promoting their services. Follow these steps to create your affiliate account. Access the affiliate sign-up page. Visit the ClickFunnels affiliate sign-up page. Register or log in. If you're already a ClickFunnels user, log in with your existing credentials. If you're new, click on the Not a ClickFunnels user, click here to become one link to create a new affiliate account. Complete the registration form. Provide your email address, create a password, and enter your first and last name. Fill in additional details such as phone number, payment preference, and address. Enter your tax ID or SSN as required. Agree to terms and create account. Review and agree to ClickFunnels affiliate program terms. Click Create your account to finalize the registration. Set up payment details. After logging in, set up your payment information through Tipalti, the platform ClickFunnels uses for managing affiliate payouts. Access affiliate resources. Once registered, access your affiliate dashboard to find marketing assets, affiliate links, and performance tracking tools.